Thursday, July 17th, 2025 play. This is the TCS system, and it currently took 3 contracts, 2 on the first target 1 and 1 on target 2. This is not a replay, but this is my cut video from my YouTube, and there you go. So target 1, stop is set at 1.25 of the average true range for the 2-minute. And target 1, I believe, is about 0.75 of the average true range. And target 2 is running around 1.3, 1.4 of the true range. So that's why you almost get it like a doubling there, 6 and 13. On the left there, I got my economic events indicator that also shows some headline news from Financial Juice. And then I have my TCS cumulative total P&L since about July or June 15th. I started keeping track around May, every day recorded on my website as well as my YouTube under posts. Just want to there's a little description or parameters, so forth. Since I took a trade, the Today Trades button works, and I can look at it and see where the entry was, what time it took the trades, how many points. The R is, what did it get? Did it stop loss, take target 1, break even, or target 1 and target 2? So there you go. It's moving along. And I cannot speed this up, so we just got to go with it. Okay, so we're at around 8:30, 8:29. So we're waiting for, here comes news, boom, boom. Okay, we got both news. You can see the Today Trades render. I mean, it's pretty quick. I think it's down to 1 tick. So anything that happens will automatically be recorded. And then it shows, basically it got 19 points, even though on target 1 we had 2 contracts, so it should have been 12 and 13, so about 25 points. You can see we had anyway on the points there, the dollar P&L, it's a little bit higher. So overall, trade 1 was pretty good. Now we're going to jet over to trade 2, and there it is live. Took the trade, set it up again, 6 and 12 on the points. Basically, it's just whatever the ATR is. So what it turns out to be, it is what it is. So it's about 9:16 roughly before open, which I don't usually like to take them right before open either, but I try to let the TCS just run it by itself. So it's a triple cross system. I found this little way of the system identifying, a cross system, and it works great on the Heiken Ashi for some reason. And yeah, so I started playing it, and sure enough, it's pretty solid. Now, does it win every trade? No, it takes losses. There's some days that you can see by the chart, up and down. I try to go to stop loss. I've played with it both ways, and the stop loss seems to be the best. By taking the stop loss, moving it close to entry, somewhere between 1 and 3 points. Today was a pretty rare day where all 3 targets will get to target 2. The system is set up with a auto stop trading at 50 points, win or loss, and between the hours of 5 a.m. and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I have that set up, that runs, and I just pretty much let her go. I try to. I do interfere. Like even here, I think I don't know if I dropped the stop down or not, but I didn't have to because we went ahead and hit. So again, it's not bad. You get your 19 points, your 6 and 12, another 18 points. So for the day running around. So here's the third trade set up. If you happen to buy anything from Take Profit Trader and you want to use my code MrFibs, that would be great. If not, no worries. Um, anyway, this is the third and final trade for the day. Stop loss on this one is 29 points, so it'd be a 58-point stop if you took, or if it takes the stop. It makes me a little nervous. It's a little bit big for me, but it is what it is. Target 1, 16, and target 2 is 32 points. Again, all based on the average true range. So in this case, this trade took a while. Um, so here we are at 9:44. It took the trade at 9:42. Here I'm moving ahead on time, just because it was just a patience trade. You can see my patience was wearing a little thin, so I moved stop one up. Usually I get stopped out on that, but I didn't want to take the full. We're up 37 points, so I didn't want to take the full stop. So I kept moving it up as we went up. Here I'm trying to be patient. I ended up moving my stop up because I figured, what the heck, if I'm not going to get 16, let's go ahead and drop it. I think I dropped it around 30 or something. Let's see. Yeah, 34. And then I ended up dropping it at 36. So 35, 36. I think I said, well, if you get up there, I'm going to drop it. There you go. I dropped it at 36 and got hit. 36, I lost 3 points on it. I'm good with that. That was fine. And then this one I brought up close to break even because I figured, well, that was pretty close. I'll take the 13 points, and it's not a bad day. I'm up 37 points on the day with the TCS. So I figured, what the heck? So here again, I'm just letting it play out, trying to be patient. Decided I would take a couple point hit. I'd be okay with that. Stop. Then I said, now what? Screw that. Let's go to break even. I don't want to lose anything. Those red lines was a bear zone, so some resistance. So I do respect it. A lot of times you can get hit and we'll go up there and hit it and then reverse, come down. You can see the prior 9 o'clock in the morning. What it did, really realistically, those cayenne color are the London high and the London low. So we already took out the London low. So I said earlier in the stream that, hey, we're probably going to go up and take out the London high. And sure enough, that's pretty much what we did. So that's why I was kind of okay with the targets and the entry. I figured, well, we're probably going to move up. It's going to be sloppy. You can see there's some resistance here. It's taken a lot of time. This time is now into time 51 from a time 42. So already 9-10 minutes into the trade, and it's almost like we're not even going anywhere, right? But we're up 53 points now, and from that hitting that target one. And I'm thinking, okay, it's not too bad. You're up $1,000 roughly. I don't know, 800. Yeah, that one account's up 1,100. That one Apex account there. So thinking, okay, just let her play out. I'm yapping away. I don't know what the heck I'm saying, but I think I'm just talking about, well, look, we're probably going to go up and take out the London high. So I'd be okay with taking, right above 51, 52, because then technically we took out the London high, right? And then if we plow up and take out the top of that bear zone, then I'm definitely going to get hit. So this is where I start thinking, okay, look, some points is better. I'm up $500, so I really don't want to lose that. I don't want to drop all the way down another to lose 200 of that. So what am I willing to take? But so far, the first 2 trades have been target 2. I'm thinking, well, maybe we'll hit target 2 here. But now I want to start inching my stop up. So now there we go. Boom. I didn't have to do it. Great. I'm clapping my hands saying, yeah, nice. All right. Game over. All right. That was it for Thursday, July 17th, 2025. Thanks for watching. Again, Take Profit Trader. If you're interested, Mr. Fibs, that would be great. If not, that's fine too. But I'm live every day. At least I try to be. And you're welcome to stop on in. Thank you.